I'm Sakura Yubi. I am a Japanese food lover. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a delicious veggie dish called Goma. Goma means sesame seeds and ae means to mix. So this is a dish of veggies mixed with sesame seeds. It's slightly sweet, comforting, and healthy. So let's get right into it. As for veggies, you can use any veggies you like. I'm using green beans today, but you can also do this with carrots, leafy greens, you name it. So first we're gonna cook the veggies. You can do this in any way you like, but I'm gonna show you the quickest way to do this. So first, we're gonna wash the veggies. And then we're gonna wrap them in plastic wrap. And we're gonna quickly cook this in the microwave oven. 600 watts for 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the amount of the veggies. Okay, let's take them out. They're very hot, so we're going to leave them here to let them cool a little bit. And we're gonna chop up these veggies into this little bowl. Now, here's my little tip. Use kitchen scissors for a little chopping like this. The cleanup is so much easier than chopping on a cutting board. You only have to wash these as opposed to washing a cutting board and a knife. And then add sugar, soy sauce, and sesame seeds. Now, for the ingredient amounts, go check in the description for a link to my written recipe. You can change the servings and convert the units there. And mix a little bit. So there you have it. Our goma is done. Okay, so let's have a little taste. It's sweet, it's gentle, and yet very flavorful. We Japanese love the combination of soy sauce and sugar, and on top of that, these sesame seeds add nice roasting aroma. It's delicious. This dish is so easy to make. It comes in handy when you're busy and have no time to cook, but want to add healthy little veggies to your meal. I'm quite busy myself. I have a full-time job and don't get a lot of time for cooking during the day, but I want me and my partner to eat healthy and delicious foods. So I've come up with these little tricks to make that happen. And I will be sharing these tricks in my future videos. And if you like the sound of that, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!